Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It is Wednesday morning, so that means we have an active rest day out here in the field house. So I'm setting up my mat here, struggling, holding the camera and setting it up. And what we got, it's our articulate your spine routine. It is a Pilates routine. I think Pilates or yoga. Anyway, that doesn't matter. It'll stretch me out. That's the main thing. So it's a Garmin routine, and takes about 5 minutes, and we'll head out on a walk after that. And I think I said I was going to do the shoulder stretch. I did just try that. It is pretty awkward, and I can't get much of a stretch. I'll probably, right after the routine's over, maybe do one set of that, and then call it on that one. We'll just get one in for maybe 10 or 15 seconds. I don't know. It's pretty difficult. You'll see. So anyway, let's get this stretch done. Head out on a walk, and we'll come back and chat about that stretch. So here we go. Let's hit it. Let's meet age with grace, folks. All right, so the dreaded active work day is in the books, so Wednesday is done. How'd it go, the stretch? It was good. I was deliberate about, I kind of read on the to articulate your spine routine, kind of how you're supposed to go about the moves, and you actually try to, when you do for instance, a roll up, when you're laying on your back and you roll up kind of like you're doing a sit up with your legs out flat, you want to kind of focus on one vertebrae at a time. And I actually kind of focused on that and getting my back rounded instead of just was trying to lift up for a sit up. I kind of before was always just kind of doing a sit up there. But when I did that, actually it's kind of felt good, and you could feel, and it said to pull your abs in, kind of suck them into your spine, and did that more at the end than while I was doing the focus. I'll work on that all together, you know, make it complex later, but for now I just focused on first one spine at a time, or one vertebrae at a time, and then pulling in the abdomen after you got bent over. And when you bend over, instead of going over at your hips, you go over at your back, and did that the best I could, and that made it, I think it made a difference in how it felt. It definitely got a good spine stretch, and basically the term articulate your spine, it actually worked into that. So I've been doing that for over a year, and only now probably doing it more the right way. So I kind of used that concept for all the different moves best I could. And then, if y'all don't know, that there at the end, after, let's see, the last one was a stretch forward again. And then after that, I did 2 of those, or 3 tabletops, and I didn't have my watch set or anything, but I did them for about 15 seconds each. Good stretch. 15 seconds was about what I could handle before it was burning pretty good. I mean, especially through this part of the arm. like where the insertion point for your bicep on the shoulder is. It was stretching that really well. I mean, really stretching that. And I could also feel it in my upper back. So getting a lot of stretch around that whole shoulder area. It's supposed to open you up. So we'll see. I'll continue doing that. Maybe on Wednesdays I'll do that, and I'll set up maybe a quick routine. I'll put it at the end of each workout that I do on Wednesdays on the active rest day. So active rest day went well. The walk, a little chilly. I came back in, got the gloves, and I put on the hoodie halfway through the walk, put on the old hood because my ears were starting to get a little chilly. So since the wind was blowing, I think it's mid 50s in here. It's probably close to 60. It feels good in here. It's over 60. It's 63 degrees in here. So nice temperature in here for working out, at least for me. I like that temperature when there's no wind. So anyway, tomorrow we'll be back again for, no pun intended, a back routine. So back for back. It'll be week 2 of our power phase again, and second back workout in the power phase. So of week 12 of the cycle. So we are gonna hit that tomorrow, and that'll be where we're going. So I'm gonna head it on in. You guys take care. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace. We'll see you later. Be careful. Take care.